Hello and welcome to another Thursday Tips video by Anything World. My name is Jay Santos. I'm the Developer Relations Manager here at Anything World. And today we'll be talking about optimizing textures in Blender for Anything World. Today's video have Jermaine as our presenter, so take it away, Jermaine.
Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm just going to be going through how I exported this bear with the texture as an OBJ, and I made sure that all the texture files work properly with the OBJ and the MTL file. This is a common sort of issue that we have with users uploading the OBJ file. So I'm just going to go through it through Blender and how to do it. So what I'm doing right now is I've got a window open called the image editor. Gone to image and saved it as a JPEG. And also make sure there's no spaces in the name of the JPEG for the base color. So that's bear base color 0. Now I'm going to go and check my Y alpha. So I use this to stop the texture color from being see-through in the browser. And I've also got a normal map as well that want to be shown in the browser. So here's the white color of image, save as, and I'm going to save as a JPEG image, the same way I saved the base map to export this. So to select both by holding shift and select both objects, eyes and the body, and export it as a OBJ. What I want to do is make sure that I choose the right folder that I want to save it into. I've already created an earlier version, but I'm just going to go through the process of what I clicked on. So make sure you click on selection only, select the path mode as strip path. Next to grouping is object groups and material groups. So I'm going to make sure those are selected. Export wave font OBJ. So I'm going to select all the files and drag this in. And I want to make sure I've checked all allow to use the model to improve our AI system, and also I've checked and understood the model processing constraints. So I've got a warning here in the bottom right corner, basically explaining why the textures haven't shown up on this file. So this is definitely an older version that I saved out, and that's why the textures have come through white. But this is a good example of what happens when it goes wrong. So I can go through, I'm going to go back to the start of Animate Anything and go back to the upload model stage. Check to see the MTL file of that actual upload. So some of the things I was explaining before about the textures not having spaces in between the different parts of the materials and stuff, the names, is one of the main reasons why that original file didn't work. So this is the updated one. You've got bare cub normal, and it's all in one word, and that makes a big difference as to why the files uploaded properly. So always check your .mtl files when you upload. And there you go. You've now got successfully uploaded your model with the normal maps, with the base color maps and everything like that as an OBJ file format. And you can continue your processing from there. So thank you for tuning in to our tutorial on how to fix the materials for OBJ file formats. See you next time.
Thank you, Jermaine, and thank you for watching. I hope it was useful and that this tip helps you on your game development journey. Again, I'm Jay Santos. I'm the Developer Relations Manager here at Anything World, and you can reach out to me at j@anything.world. You can also follow us on social medias, on TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can find all the links on the Linktree link at the bottom of the screen. There's also my Twitter there at j_Santos. You can follow me for more game development tips. And there's also our Discord server where we have a very friendly community that have several discussions about game development every day. So join us there. Thank you, and I see you on the next video.